Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm auditioning for the role of Phil. Just wanted to say thanks a lot for having me read. Seems like an excellent script, a great project. I'd love to work with you on this one. All right. We'll see you soon. Bye, baby. You all right, boss?
Yeah, sorry.
You guys got gum here?
I'm actually not employed here.
Shit. My bad. You just seem like you are.
I'm actually here with May.
Really? You think you could introduce my kid to her?
I think I can arrange something.
Great. Apparently, she's a big fan. I had no idea. I'm so used to seeing her in movies now. Fucking forgot she had a show of her own back when. Huh.
Right.
So what are you? Her assistant or...
No, I'm a friend.
Cool. Okay.
Well, we're kind of...
Dating?
Oh,
Nice man. Why so shy about it?
I couldn't tell you.